Hi guys, it's Vesna here, and this is Vesna TV Home. Thank you so much for dropping by my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I decorate my St. Patrick's Day tray. This is most of the items that I'm going to be using for my tray. I made all of these items, and you can check them actually over on my Vesna TV channel, and I have the video posted today as well, and where I show you how I made all of these. And I'm really excited because I've never really decorated for St. Patrick's Day, so I thought a tray would be a really cute thing to do. So the tray itself, I actually made from trash items a little while back, and I used it in my Halloween decor. I loved the black and like orange and whites and purples for Halloween, but it looks really good with the St. Patrick's Day as well. So I'm just going to be putting these items together. Now, whenever I make these trays, I kind of play around with where I put what, but I knew that at the bottom I wanted the lucky to be written there because it fit perfectly in that bottom compartment and it covers kind of pretty much the whole tray. And then I just kind of stack items big and small and I play around with it until I get it the right way. So this video is a part of the St. Patrick's Day Tier Tray collab, and this is hosted by My Blessed Nest. And Carol is amazing and does some amazing thrift hauls, DIYs, and all sorts of things. And she has this Tier Tray collab every season, so make sure you check her out and the playlist. Everything will be linked in my description below. And so my name is Vesna, and this is my Vesna TV home channel. I do have a DIY channel, as I mentioned before. But on my home channel, I do tier tray and tray decorations, any kind of home decorating, home tours, thrift hauls, and some renovations. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let me know that you subscribed and hit the notification bell so you can see new videos. So after playing around with it a little bit, this is what I came up with, and I'm really happy with it. Now let me see if you guys notice what's wrong with this sign. So I had put the gnome and the little jar up at the top. Then I added this little Dollar Tree St. Patrick's Day cup as well as the shawl. They're both from the Dollar Tree. And I wound up adding the sign at the front and then a sign at the very back. Now, I wasn't too worried about the way the back of the sign of the tray looked like because it was going against a wall. I just wanted the sides to look cute. So I didn't notice there was something wrong until I sent a picture to my friend asking her what she thought of the tray, and she asked me if I spelled lucky with a K and not a CK. I'm like, what do you mean there is a CK? Didn't notice that I spelt lucky wrong. So, well, then I flip-flopped the two letters when I was putting them back. I know I had done it right, and then I flip-flopped them. So anyway, I went back and I changed it, and like I said, this is what I came up with. I love the way it looks. I think it's really cute, very festive. And as I said, all these, and I'll just link the video up here, all these are DIYs that I made using either trash items like this one. It's made out of cardboard or some pieces of wood, a jar from Peaches, and then this gnome is really cute. It's made out of a glass bottle. Then I aged these little clovers. They actually came from a sign that I had purchased to make my noodle board, and then I saved the little clovers and I use them in this decor, and I can link the video here as well. So my family really isn't that big into celebrating St. Patrick's Day. I do live in a town with a university in it, so sometimes that's a big deal, and it was a big deal during university. It was like a big party day. Right now we're in lockdown, so I don't think any of it's going to be happening, which is probably a good thing, but at least this way there's a little bit of festivity over here. Usually me and my husband will go out for dinner or something like that on St. Patrick's Day, but obviously we're not doing that this year. Let me know if where you are, whether you celebrate, whether it's a big holiday or whether it's not a big holiday, whether you decorate for St. Patty's Day or you don't decorate. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think of this tray. I'm pretty excited the way it turned out. I love all of the little DIYs in it. As I said, I made all of these and I'm quite proud of them. Obviously, I didn't make that cup. That's the only thing I didn't make. And that came from the Dollar Tree for, I want to say about 5-6 years ago. I think even before my kids were born. I had bought 2 mugs like that. They're the ones that you can put in the freezer and then they keep your drink cold. But anyway, let me know what you think. Make sure you check out my Blessed Nest and make sure you check out the playlist. It's going to be a really good one. So check everybody out and hopefully you get some inspiration. Thank you so much for stopping by. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed and let me know what you think. Thank you. Have a great day.